everybody. Excuse me, Shadow Stalker here. Welcome back to my channel. Finally got the perfect pixie box from SofieAndToffee. I'm still waiting on last month's box. They got me so confused I don't even know what I'm missing anymore. I really don't. I had to fill out a complaint form. They said they got it, but it's been over a month. So let's see what I got. This is supposed to be the perfect box from Pixie. So I also have a couple more things coming in this week. Hopefully they will be the blind boxes I bought. Alright. At least they have it covered this time. Unlike the other one, which came in looking like total crap. Okay. Don't you just love how light shines off of that? That is so cute. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Okay, what do we got here? Keychains? These are nice and sturdy and pretty. I like these. What are these? Holographic paw film. There you go. Nice and shiny. And these look like... what are they? Bees? They're paws. But I don't know. We'll look at that later. Shaker film. Floaty shaker film. I think I'm gonna have a good time. Let's see. Holographic paw confetti. Sponge sticks. I got a billion of these. They always come in useful. Grayish violet. I think you only get one. Yep, one bag of pigment. Little paw mold. Kitty with a little butterfly. Bezels. Wait, let's find out what kind they are. And we got more bezels. Oh, I hate these little bags. Let's try this for something else next time, huh? Oh, little mama cat. Look at the baby kitty kitten. Little couple. That's cute. I'm starting to collect bezels. What are these? Some of this stuff. Oh, there it is. Luminous gems. Luminous. I wonder if that means if they glow in the dark. Kitty charms. Oh, little kitty ear studs. I don't think that, oh yeah, that's in there, okay. High screws. What is this? Trinket bowl. Definitely all cats today. And the clock. I don't think I'll be making the clock though. Very thin. I'm sure we can figure something out with this. And a small sheet of shaker film. I'm supposed to get 2 pieces. Okay. Shaker film. Let's try this again. Box, clock, charms, ear studs, eye screws. I really don't know. It's really, really thick, so I don't know. Shaker film. Well, maybe you can turn this into a shaker. We'll find out. This must be the shaker, okay. I'll probably save these for something else. Ooh, nice. Little paw beads. These are actually cute. Grayish violet. And I think the cards have gotten smaller too. Thank you for watching. And I do have an official Buy Me Coffee link down below. Please check it out. And thank you for all your help so far. Namaste. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Namaste. Have a great day.